Today we're going to talk about the top 10 5th generation aircrafts that will steal your breath away for a moment. The 5th generation of aircrafts comprise of distinctive features such as a modern avionics system, stealth, high presentation airframes, and advanced technologies. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to explore the world's greatest fighter jets. Number 10. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. At number 10, we have this very special aircraft, the Lockheed Martin F-35. Property of the United States of America, it has a super advanced computer and can participate in ground attacks and air defense missions. Its length is 50.43 feet and width is 34.9. This American aircraft can make a progress range of 1,379 miles with a maximum speed of 1,199 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. Number 9. Chengdu J-20.
爬升之后的滚转，多次滚转，机器降低高度，这次高度比刚才更低。
Moving towards the next one, we have the Chengdu J-20, which is also known as the Black Eagle. It is China's 5th generation aircraft that is manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, a twin-engined and all-weather aircraft for the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF. This plane has a blended fuselage and a high fly-by-wire system. Moreover, it can operate large and short-range missiles and has a maximum speed of 1,305 miles per hour, and can fly up to a maximum range of 2,113 miles. Number 8. Mitsubishi ATD-X, Shinshin. Now, look at this Mitsubishi ATD-X, an aircraft for Japan. It's a 5th generation aircraft with advanced stealth technology, and is produced by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. It possesses a speed of Mach 2.25 with a maximum range to fly of 2,900 kilometers. It has a length of 14.174 meters, and its empty weight is 9,700 kilograms. Number 7. The HAL Sukhoi PMF FGFA. The interesting thing about the HAL Sukhoi aircraft is that it's a joint aircraft venture by India and Russia. However, it has been said that India has withdrawn from this partnership, but the Russian force claims that India is still working with Russia on this aircraft. It is known as Air Superiority Fighter and is manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It can speed up to 1,491 miles per hour, having a range of 3,418 miles. Number 6. The Thai TFX, or FX. It is the 5th generation aircraft developed by Turkey to replace the F-16 in the Turkish Air Force. It is being manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries with a cooperation of BAE Systems. A twin-engine and air superiority aircraft with a speed performance that is 1,491 miles per hour, the same as the Sukhoi FG-FA, and a range of 1,988 miles. Number 5. Kai KF-X.
For the low flight, 500 feet, 500 knots.
Another joint aircraft venture between South Korea and Indonesia, and is expected to be a valuable asset for both South Korean and Indonesian air forces. South Korea holds 80% of shares, and the aircraft is being manufactured by Korean Aerospace Industries, KAI. Its maximum speeds exceed 1,533 miles per hour and give a range of 2,352 miles. Number 4. Eurofighter Typhoon. It's a multinational aircraft that is mainly used by European countries, a twin-engine, multitasker, and an aircraft with the most advanced avionics system is developed by NATO Eurofighter and Tornado Management Agency, NETMA, and can deliver the expected performance for various operations. This aircraft made its debut in 2011 by the Royal Air Force and Italian Air Force. Its length is 15.96 meters, height is 5.28 meters, and empty weight is 11,000 kilograms. The maximum takeoff weight is 23,500 kilograms, and speed can exceed up to 2,125 kilometers per hour. Number 3. Dassault Rafale. This is a French aircraft meaning gust of wind or burst of fire. It is a multiple-role fighter which is used by the French Air Force and Navy. This plane has been imported by countries around the world and has played a key role in strengthening the air forces. It has a twin engine and is known as an omni-role aircraft, which means it can perform various operations in one go. It is equipped with the latest avionics system and smart sensors. It can take a 30mm cannon, both air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, and also anti-ship missiles. It was introduced in 2001 and is still in service. Its speed range is around 2,223 kilometers per hour, and the combat range is 1,850 kilometers. The maximum takeoff weight is around 24,500 kilograms. Number 2. The HAL AMCA. The HAL AMCA is an aircraft designed and manufactured by India, which is still under development and is considered as the 5th generation aircraft. It is said that this aircraft will be put into service by 2030. This aircraft has a maximum speed of 1,655 kilometers per hour and a maximum range limit of 1,740 miles. If you think you've seen enough of the Fast and the Furious birds, you might be surprised to see our number 1 entry. Number 1. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. This beauty is considered the most lethal 5th generation fighter jet. The Raptor flew for the first time in September of 1997. The first production F-22 was delivered to Nellis Air Force Base in January 2003, and it formally entered USAF service in December of 2005. The cost incurred on this program was $67.3 billion US. This aircraft is the master of stealth technology because of its twin-engine aerodynamic. It can be operated by a single pilot. It has features like ground attack, signals intelligence tracker, and electronic warfare. The F-22 is designed with the latest technology, which makes it difficult to detect or track on the radar. The F-22 has 3 internal weapon bays, a large main bay on the bottom of the jet's main body, and the rest are 2 on the sides of the body. The main bay of the aircraft can accommodate 6 LAU-142A launchers for beyond virtual ranged missiles, or 4 of these can be replaced by 2 bomb racks that can carry 450 kilograms or 110 kilogram bombs each. And each of the 2 side bays has an LAU-141A launcher for short-range missiles. It has a maximum speed of 1,500 miles per hour at an altitude, which combats a range of 530 miles and a ferry range of 2,000 miles. For air-to-air missions, it can carry 6 AIM-120 plus 2 AIM-9s, and for air-to-ground missions, it can carry 2 450 kilogram JDAMs or 8 110 kilogram GBU-39 small diameter bombs. We hope you enjoyed learning about the man-made Eagles. Kindly hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads.